Welcome back to Doomsday Prepper. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic, the 12 prepping items you need to get now before they become illegal. With increasing regulations and shifting policies, some of these essential items could become hard to find or outright illegal. Number 1. Water purification tablets. Clean water is vital for survival, and water purification tablets can make almost any water source safe to drink. Stock up before any restrictions limit their availability. Number 2. High-calorie food bars. These compact, long-lasting food sources are perfect for emergencies. They're easy to store and provide essential nutrients and energy. Number 3. Solar chargers. With the push for greener energy, solar chargers are a must-have. They can keep your devices running without relying on the grid. Number 4. Multi-tools. These versatile tools can perform a variety of functions, from cutting to opening cans. Make sure you have one in your kit. Number 5. Firearms and ammunition. Regulations on firearms are constantly changing. If you're planning to use them for defense, ensure you have the necessary permits and stock up on ammunition. Number 6. Water storage containers. Large, durable containers for storing water are essential. With potential water shortages, having a stockpile is crucial. Number 7. CB and ham radios. Communication is key in a disaster, and these radios can help you stay connected when cell towers are down. Get licensed and learn how to use them. Number 8. Medical supplies. From basic first aid kits to advanced medical equipment, these items can be lifesavers. Be prepared for any medical emergencies. Number 9. Gas masks and filters. In case of chemical or biological threats, gas masks can protect you. Get high-quality masks and replacement filters. Number 10. Non-GMO seeds. For long-term food security, grow your own food. Non-GMO seeds ensure that you have a sustainable food source. Number 11. Night vision equipment. Seeing in the dark can give you a significant advantage. Night vision gear can be expensive and subject to regulation, so get it while you can. Number 12. Gold and silver. Precious metals are a reliable store of value. In times of economic uncertainty, they can be used for trade and maintaining your purchasing power. That's our list of the 12 prepping items to get before they get banned. Remember, being prepared is about staying ahead of the curve. Don't wait until it's too late. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest videos. Stay safe and stay prepared.